In this video, I'm breaking down the best window brands to sell if you're looking to add window replacement to your roofing and siding business, focusing on vinyl windows that blend affordability, quality, and strong warranties. Alright, so when you're stepping into the window game, especially vinyl windows, you want to make sure you're not just pushing cheap stuff that'll come back to bite you or your customers. Brands like Ply Gem have some solid options, especially their Respect Series, which balances price and performance pretty well, plus they back it with a decent warranty that you can confidently offer. ProVia is another great pick. Since you're familiar with their designer app and door lines, their window lineup, particularly the ProVia 2500 series, offers premium durability and energy efficiency without sky-high prices. You mentioned Milgard, right? They've been solid since the 80s, and their Tuscany Series is a favorite for vinyl windows with good looks and long-term reliability. If you want to push the envelope a bit more on quality while staying affordable, Okna's vinyl windows are worth checking out since they combine energy efficiency with durable frames. Anderson and Marvin tend to lean more upscale and pricier, but if you want to offer a premium line down the road, Anderson's A Series and Marvin's Elevate line are excellent for customers who want high-end craftsmanship. Just keep in mind that vinyl windows don't always scream luxury, so balancing what your market expects with top-tier warranties and solid installation is key. And always make sure your crew is trained well, because even the best window won't perform right if installed poorly. One of the biggest mistakes I see in window sales is pushing products without fully understanding their warranty terms or performance specs, which can lead to unhappy customers and costly callbacks. Another common issue is not matching the window style and material to the local climate, like selling cheap vinyl windows in harsh northern weather without UV or moisture resistance can cause early failures. Lastly, some contractors don't focus enough on installation training, which is huge because even the best window can leak or warp if it's not put in right. The fixes? Always get crystal clear on the warranty details and make those a selling point. Know your area's weather challenges and pick windows designed to handle them. And invest time in training your team on proper installation techniques to avoid headaches later. BigHomeProjects.com is a killer resource for pros like you, connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors that get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by putting them in front of people actively looking for quality home improvement services, so it's a win-win when growing your side hustle into full-on window replacement.